Hey everybody, Quilting Marine here. So it's time. It's time to review the Brother. My new machine, the advance on the machine that I previously had. It's the PQ1500SL, and this machine it's amazing. It's amazing. I love it. And all this time I was talking about the Juki, the Juki, the Juki. Man, did I not know? I was really blind to the fact that this machine is a monster. It is. And stepping up from my previous machine, the Singer Confidence Quilter, it's a whole new learning curve. Learning tension, what tension actually is and how to adjust tension. Okay, it was a step up, and I'm still learning the machine as I go, but as I go, I also really realize how much more machine I have and how much capability this machine has, okay? For a straight stitch machine, okay, because that's all I really need. I'm a quilter. I don't need all the fancy dog shaped stitches and all this and that. I need to go straight line from point A to point B. And this machine does it. And it does it in aces, okay? When I first started, I had a little problem. I went through the instruction book. I'm a guy. Guys like to just do it, all right? All right, she's focusing in because she told me to read the manual and I didn't read the manual. All right, give it, that be giving, okay? This machine is awesome. I suggest guys who are getting into quilting, and there are men who do it. Men who do it. All right, let's get back. So, this would be a good machine to start on. A great machine to start on, okay? Because your learning curve would be a little stiff, but once you get to that level, you're gonna be a monster. You are gonna be a monster, okay? This machine knows one thing: stitching, nothing else, okay? It has it has one flaw, and the only flaw that I have with this machine, and don't tell anybody, is that when the bobbin runs out, I wish there was like some kind of light that came on or some type of sound that came on to let you know, hey, you're down to your last 3 stitches, okay? And then I could know to go to reload the bobbin. But outside of that, I love this thing. This thing is amazing, okay? So threading the machine was not a challenge at all. It was just getting down the tension that I needed for the stitching that I was doing, okay? This machine is super fast, all right? And you don't need to do super fast. I still stitch pretty moderately slow, all right? I only do the super fast to show off, all right? Usually when I show off those threads that I shot down really fast, I'm like, man, that was too fast. Okay, the control pedal. This thing is so sensitive. It's not crazy sensitive, but it knows what you want when you want it, okay? It knows slow when you want slow. It knows fast when you want fast. And it's really great. I love it, okay? Now, there was something that I'm still learning how to do, and that's the knee bar. I think it's the knee bar, okay, for lifting up my pressure foot, okay? I'm still getting used to doing that. Throwing your leg over. It's really convenient. I love it. And I can't believe, well, I can believe because I'm still new at this, so it's a new item for me. But I like it. It makes it more expedient. I don't have to come back here. I still do reach up because it's a habit that's hard to break. Okay, I still reach up sometimes, but I'm getting used to hitting the knee bar. I'm really getting used to that. I like that. All right, and the threading. All right, when I first threaded this machine, I used that 3-hole loop in here, okay? That 3-hole loop, and I was cutting thread. I'm like, what is going on? Why is this thing cutting thread so much? So I was like, let me troubleshoot. I went to the guide, and yeah, it said, give it the 2-hole. I went to the 2-hole, and it shut it down. No more cutting a thread. Okay, I love this thing. This thing is amazing. This thing has a pressure foot pressure adjuster up here on top. You turn this to adjust the pressure foot pressure. Okay. I don't know if you can see in there, but there's a little bar inside this window in here, and it tells you where you're at. See that little bar in there? It's like a little red bar. See, I'm on that. What is that? Blue or whatever. Okay. So what you want to do is you want to match the blue over here when it comes to your feed dogs. All right. So what I was doing, I had it on like green, and then I had pressure foot adjuster on red. The machine was like, who is driving me, a crackhead? And it was cutting thread, and it was doing all kind of madness. But then I went to the owner's manual. And I learned a lesson, okay? All right, let's not dwell on that, okay? Then you match the color with the color, all right? For those of us who are slow in school, like me. And it just started sewing like butter. It was crazy. I love this machine. All right, over here you have your thread cutter button. Over here is needle down, needle up button. Okay, and it's just a light that tells you what position you selected for needle up, needle down. All right, so over here is a thread tension adjuster. Okay, up or down for more tension on a thread. Man, this thing is so awesome. And then the geniuses at Brother even thought ahead. So my little table here, I'm like, when I need to change my bobbin thread, you lift that little this down, and inside here is my bobbin. I love that side feed bobbin. That is so crazy. I love it. I absolutely love it. And loading the bobbin and feeding the bobbin in is really simple. All right, there's a little arm on here that you pull out to release the bobbin holder out of the machine. You pull it out, and then your bobbin will you'll pull it out and you just hold it, and your bobbin will come out here. Hold on here. Bobbin is not. It's not. Well, my bobbin is not wanting to play with me here. Anyway, you get the idea. So the bobbin comes out. Hold on, here we go. And these bobbins are really, really high speed, okay? Metal bobbins that feed up here on my bobbin threader up here. And this thing, I just love it. I love this machine. So out of 5 needles, I would give it maybe a 4.5. And the only reason why is because I want to know when my bobbin's about to run out. I think that's really convenient to know. All right, it's not a stickler. I mean, I would in no way take this machine back because of that. This machine is really, really awesome. I love it. I would not trade it in for the world. It's doing the work that I wanted to do, at twice the speed. It makes it a lot easier on me, especially with my knee bar and the speed of the stitching. I like this machine. I really do. And I would recommend this machine. I think I would recommend this machine to a new quilter. If you're in that zone where you can afford a machine of this grade, get it. All right? Get it. Learn it. All right? Learn it easier than I did. Actually read the manual to the machine, and then and then go forward from there and stitch away. This machine is great. The Brother PQ1500SL is an awesome machine to start on. But if you're not in that grade, it's totally understandable that you're not able to afford a machine like that. All right, because this machine can go for $500 to $600. Okay, so that could be pretty steep for a first machine, especially for starting off quilting and you're not sure you're ready to hang on to it like most of us are. Okay. But I would recommend this machine. It's a great machine. Look into Brother. Brother's a great company. They're doing great things. And really, all I can say is great job, Brother. And thank you to my wife for buying this machine for me. Remember, it's only fabric. It's only thread. And thank you for watching my video.